so hungry.
I brought some apples.
Oh, apples?
But that's so boring.
I know how to fix that.
Start with some caramel bits and pour them in a pot. Add 2 teaspoons of butter. Turn the flame on to medium heat and stir until the butter melts. Once the butter melts, add 1/4 cup of creamer. Stir until everything is completely melted and combined. Pour the caramel into the bowl. Now dip your apple. Make sure to cover the whole thing. Next, you'll need chamoy and pour it into a shallow bowl. Then dip your apple in the chamoy. Make sure to coat the whole thing. Next, you'll need tamarind candy. Lay it on powdered sugar and sprinkle it on top. Next, use a rolling pin and flatten it out. Now take the candy and wrap it around the apple. Next, brush more chamoy over the apple. Next, you need to fill a shallow bowl with tahine. Then coat the apple with tahine. Make sure it's evenly coated by sprinkling some on top.
I made caramel apples and chamoy apples.
Those look good. It's good.
It's kind of sour.
Thanks, June. No problem.
Ah, come on, I'm gonna win this one!
Yay!
Oh, whatever.
Woo, that was an intense game.
I know. I'm so thirsty though.
Oh, you guys want drinks? I'll take care of it.
Start with vanilla ice cream and scoop some out. Add 2 scoops of ice cream into a cup. Then fill it with root beer. And finally, top it off with some whipped cream. Don't forget the straw.
I'm back. These root beer floats are for you. Wow,
Thanks, June. It's delicious.
Glad you liked it.
Now hurry up, come on, let's get back to the game.
Hey guys, I brought strawberries. Ooh, strawberries?
Ah, that's so boring.
But I thought everyone loved strawberries.
Oh, they're kind of boring by themselves.
Don't worry, I can make it better.
Start by melting milk chocolate and white chocolate. Then take a strawberry and dip it in the chocolate. Next, dip it halfway into the white chocolate.
Can you believe Lil Kim did that?
No.
I have some strawberries.
Whoa, they look so nice.
I'll taste the first one.
That one was delicious, June.
I want to try one. It's so hot.
I have this mango we can eat.
I want something refreshing.
Yeah, like a drink.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Slice your mango and put it in the freezer. Once it's frozen, put it in the blender. Add 1 cup of water and 1/4 cup of sugar and squeeze half a lemon into the mixture. Then blend it until fully combined. Next, put chamoy into a shallow bowl. Then take a glass and coat the rim with chamoy. In another bowl, fill it with tahine. Then dip the glass into the tahine. Then drizzle chamoy into the bottom and the sides of the glass and sprinkle more tahine. Next, pour in your mango mixture. Next, add a candy straw and mango slices as garnish.
Here's some Mangonamas for you guys. Ooh.
Whoa, it looks so fancy.
So refreshing.
It really beats the heat.
No problem. Ready for the sleepover?
Yeah. I brought snacks.
Are those just bananas?
Yeah, I love bananas.
That's not really a sleepover snack. I'll fix it.
Take a banana and cut it in half. Don't forget to peel the banana. Then stick a popsicle stick into the banana. Next, dip it into some chocolate and wait for the chocolate to solidify. Next, you'll need some peanut butter. Use it to drizzle over the banana. Now your peanut butter chocolate bananas are ready.
I came back with the snacks.
Ooh.
It's so good. Okay, down to the gossip. Is there anyone you like?
June, I need your help. Ben's coming over for a date and I don't know what to make.
I know. Don't worry, Lily. I'll take care of it. Thank you.
Start by slicing your pineapple. Make sure to get rid of the ends. Next, add 2 cups of ice into a blender. Then add your pineapple, followed by half a lemon, some coconut milk, and coconut cream, and pineapple juice. Then blend until it's fully crushed. Pour it into a glass of your choice. Use a slice of pineapple as garnish.
Here's pina coladas for your date. Ooh.
Thanks so much, June. You really saved me.
I'll get out of here before Ben comes.
Hey, what's going on, Lily?
Hey.
Wow, this looks really good. That's a 10 out of 10. Did you make it yourself?
Yeah, cheers.
Hey, June, I need help. I don't know what to get for Lily.
How about some strawberries?
Strawberries are too cliche. I need something new.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Start by taking a strawberry and cut off the stem. Then slice it in half. Then put cream cheese frosting over the strawberry. Now your cream cheese strawberry bites are ready.
Where'd she go?
Here, give these to Lily.
Are you sure Lily will like these?
Of course, go!
Lily, I brought you a gift.
You're so sweet, Ben.
Not as sweet as you. I brought grapes.
Great.
What kind of snack are grapes?
Yeah, I want something frozen.
Oh!
I'll be right back.
Put your grapes into a plastic bag and freeze them. Once they're frozen, put it back into a bowl. Then take a box of flavored Jell-O and put it over the grapes. Stir to make sure that all the grapes are coated.
I brought the perfect snack. Ooh.
This is perfect. Thanks, June.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like the video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.